Hello everyone. This video is to discuss in 5 minutes on how to use the less command in Linux. So let's start how to use it on any text file. So first of all, what we need is one of the text file which I have created. So let's get the text file. And there it is. So this is the text file that we have. And how many lines is in this text file? You can see that by using wc command, and here it is. So currently we have 64 lines in this text file. So this is quite huge, which we don't want to, because and this covers up the whole screen and goes up and down. So last command will show you screen by screen. So that's the advantage of using the last command. Let's see how it works for this one. So if you do less.txt, it will open a new kind of an interface where you will see the screen bar, like just the one screen with the text. And if you want to go down line by line, just use the arrow down key and it will show you line by line the text. If you want to go up, simply go use the arrow up key to move up. And when you want to get out of the sleep mode, simply press the Q. And that's how you get back to your terminal. Further, what we can use it with it is, as we have seen earlier using the WC, it has the 64 lines. We can use the less command where with each line we will have the number associated with it as well, using hyphen caps lock and here we have the line number associated with it, and we'll use the arrow down key. We'll get to the end of this document text file, and yes, just like the WC showing it has 64 lines, you can see it has the 64 lines in this text file. Again, to go back, we simply use the Q, and here we are. Now, what next we can do is we can search one particular pattern, whether it's a word or a sentence or anything else that we can look into this document. So how we will do it is simply we will do, again, let's go with the less with this, and place the forward slash. If you want to see the word and, just type and press enter, and it will show you where the and is. And if you want to further look for and in the document, simply press and it will go down in the document showing you where the and is in this text file. If you if you want to go up, basically in the document, use caps lock and, so it's like shift and will go up in the document, highlighting where the and is in this document. Okay, and again press Q to go back. And what else we can do is we can search for the command for the pattern directly in this file. For an example, if I want to just look for the grade in this file, I can give the grade as a parameter or a pattern and look for it. So it doesn't show anything, so we can do Q or maybe escape here. I don't know what is. Okay, control set. Okay, it has thrown some error to us. Why it is? Because we have given the space here after the hyphen, which indeed is the wrong way of doing this troubleshooting. And if we go this way, this will show the content from where the grade is. Grade as a pattern, it recognizes is the so here the grade for the first time is in this whole text file. It shows up from there, and from there you can see the document. Okay, so grade is just there in this document in the fourth line for an example. And then currently this is case sensitive. So again, it will queue. If you want to do it without case sensitivity, simply use hyphen I, and then you will see that first we have the grade in all small case and the grade in the uppercase, both seen in this text file. Again, let's press Q to go back. This is the usage of hyphen P for parameter. Earlier we have seen hyphen N for numbering the lines. And one more thing is you can edit whatever you can see in this document. How you can do it is simply use the whatever command. Let's see. And if you want to open this in any editor, simply press V. And here you are in your default editor. For now, I'm not going to edit anything, so I will simply press Ctrl X to exit this. And again, I am back to the read mode of Flash. And if I want to quit this, simply press Q, and I'm in my terminal. So this is about how to use the less command, and it's a very useful command. Why you need this is very important because when you do cat, you have so much of the content which you can see in this file. But when you use less, it will show you only the one like content which is available on just one screen. So it is very efficient in terms of memory and also readability for a person. It has become more readable. And yeah, that's it. This is all about Less for now. But yes, there are further usage of Less where you can see multiple of the files. Where you, for an example, if I want to look for how many TXT files do I have, so I can list all the TXT files here using the wildcard with the list, and I have next text.txt and the test.txt. Okay, so if I want to use less on next.txt and text.txt, I have both the files here. So as you can see here, it is file 1 of 2. If I want to go into the another file, like the next file, the 2, what I can do is I can simply do colon N. It will go to the file 2 of 2. And if I want to go back, I can do colon B. It will go to the file 1. So this is the way that we can use it to go to different files. And yes, that's it for how to use Nest command in Linux. Thank you for watching.